How to enable full screen mode on Instagram Reels. Looking for a quick and easy way to watch Instagram Reels in full screen mode without all the extra buttons and information covering the video? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done quickly and without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your iPhone or Android device. On your iPhone, open the App Store, or if you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for Instagram, and if you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. Once Instagram is updated, open the app and tap the Reels icon. Now, open any reel you want to watch in full screen mode. You'll normally see different buttons and information around the video, such as the creator's name, comments, likes, and sharing options. To remove this extra information, look for the two-line icon near the right side of the screen and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Playback and then choose View Full Screen. Instagram will now hide the extra interface elements, allowing you to watch the reel with a cleaner full-screen view. You can then tap the screen and play the video normally without all the additional buttons and information covering it. If you want to return to the regular Instagram Reels view, simply tap the two-arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Instagram will restore the normal interface, including the creator information, likes, comments, and other controls. And that's how you can enable full screen mode for Instagram Reels quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.